Good afternoon. Thank you for having me. And my name is Phelisa Mangcu, Joburg Tourism, Acting CEO.
It's been a very busy week for you here at World Travel Market, and you had a function last night.
Indeed, it has been a very busy week, and yesterday we hosted a very successful event hosting trade at the World Travel Market. This is a platform for us to get to be under one roof with the trade, and it turns out to be fruitful all the time when we participate in this exhibition.
And what's the message you are communicating to the trade this week?
This week we are talking about our summer campaign. What is coming up in South Africa during the summer. We launched our spring campaign, and within that campaign we are talking about the AFCON, which is coming to South Africa in January 2013, between the 19th of January and the 10th of February 2013. And Johannesburg will be hosting the opening and the closing games of AFCON.
And it's going to be building on the momentum that was generated during the World Cup.
Exactly. It's going to be building on the momentum that was built during the World Cup. As you are aware, Johannesburg has a world infrastructure. We have the stadiums that can cater for any kind of sporting activity. And soccer happens to be the upcoming event in the immediate after the World Cup.
And you've also got the golf as well coming in, the Joburg Open.
Exactly, that's our annual event. Every January, Johannesburg, the city of Johannesburg, hosts its annual Joburg tournament every year. It's a standing event.
Now, shifting towards the business side of things as well, a packed roster of business and MICE events in Joburg coming up in your summer or our winter.
We have an exciting year in 2013. There are a number of events that are coming up, conferences that are coming up in Joburg, and those include the C40, looking at the environment, and the Metropolis, that is taking place in October 2013, the One Young World, the WADA, World Anti-Doping Association, and all those events and conferences that are going to put Johannesburg on the world map as a destination that can host any form of event, any size and any form, as I say.
Now, as the face of Joburg Tourism Company, you're always out around the world busy promoting Joburg and bringing in new tourists. What are your key markets at the moment, ones that particularly interest you as potential for growth?
You know, we've just worked on finalized our strategy, destination marketing strategy. And according to that strategy, we need to focus on the emerging markets, the BRICS, and the African continent. And we've been participating in roadshows in Brazil, Russia, India, and the African continent, and China. And that has been very successful. We've been working very closely with South African tourism country managers in all these regions. So that has proved very successful, because next year, January, we are going back to India, and we are also going back to China. And we've developed relations with the trade in those countries. It has been a very, very successful interaction.
Now, do you find that as one of the BRICS economies, along with Brazil, Russia, India, and China, there's a synergy between yourselves? That we're all large, rapidly emerging economies, and lots of potential for collusion and operating together for business and for tourism.
There's a lot of potential coming from those countries. I mean, I can mention China, which has been mentioned in several forums that I've attended here at the World Travel Market, that China is indeed an emerging market. Everybody is looking towards China, both as an inbound and outbound destination.
Okay, well, thank you very much for joining us here at World Travel Market for breaking travel news. Thank you very much.
Thank you.